Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hugs for, and yes people, the freebies are in. Normally they come on Sunday, but they came today on a Tuesday. But let's check them out anyway. We got 5 in all. They're all free for the taking, and they all look pretty decent in my opinion. So let's start off with number one. Number one is called Futurum Neon Blue. I like this one. This guy always gets down. He makes unique watch faces, and they're all nice. Now this is a 24-hour watch face, and I'm liking the look of this one. I really like the look of the moon phase with the month in it. And I do like the analog hands. They're different colors. Blue and red are my favorite colors, blue being number one. You get information on all your step status, your days of the week, digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. But the design is nice. Not bad at all. And you can tap into it. It is interactive, so you can go into the features and functions of this watch face. Now, I really like the AOD mode for the Gear S2 and the Gear S3. Gear S3 being number one. So I thought the developer did a really good job on this one. Not bad at all. Now, number two has got to be my favorite one by the same developer. I thought he really outdid himself with this one. Has a futuristic look for the most part, and you are going to get 6 colors within the watch face to change to customize with whatever you got going on for the day so far as you wear. But let's look at this, right? You get your step status. I like the layout of it, steps, and it also gives you your goal completed too as well, all in the same area, which is nice. You get your date. You also get nice analog hands, battery percentage, days of the week, moon phase. Listen, what more can you ask? This one definitely is getting downloaded, people. Definitely is getting downloaded, and it is interactive as well. And wow. Now this is nice for both the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. The AOD mode is not bad. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on all the AOD modes. Let me know which one was number one to you. All right, let's check out the next one, number 3. Now number 3 is going to pretty much be for the ladies, but it looks like it can be for the guys as well. If you ask me, you get 6 different styles within this one, so it is interactive. Now, I do like the look of this one. I thought the developer outdid himself with the creativity of this watch face. Very different, but it has an elegant look to it as well, yet giving you all the information that you need at a glance. Still, you get your step information, heart rate, date, battery percentage, everything you can ask for, and you can make a phone call right from the wrist. Quick, easy, and convenient, people. Not bad at all. These are the backgrounds. Not bad, right? I like the AOD mode. This guy is getting down on these AOD modes. This one is definitely nice. Let's check out watch face number 4. And number 4 seems to be a little bit simple. Silicone RX1. This is the analog watch face. Now, it looks nice. I like it. It's not a bad look at all. It's showing it on the Gear Sport. I like the dials. I mean, it has the premium look and feel to it. Analog at that. You can't beat this one. Now, this one I can wear dressy and or casual, which means that dressy is a key part to this watch face, because if I'm going out, I like this look. Plain, basic, simple, analog time with a couple of dials. Has a sporty look. Can't beat it. Now, you only get 2 colors. You get the color that you just seen. Then you get this yellowish, goldish color, which I'm not liking. Now, it's not showing the AOD mode, but yes it is. This is the AOD mode, right? And it doesn't look bad. Simple analog look. It's okay. Let's check out, last but not least, people, watch face number 5. Now, number 5 is called Launcher Super. So you can just about imagine what kind of watch face this is going to be. This is not a dressy watch face at all, although this guy has it on being a dressy attire. But if you think you can play it and get away with it, then that's going to be up to you. And it's saying that it gets 6 colors. I tried this one out. It does give you 6 colors, which isn't a bad look. The AOD mode almost favors the watch face when it's on. Not a bad look. You get battery percentage. You get certain applications, phone calls, text messages are probably the most important, along with music and weather. This isn't a bad look for a casual wear, that is. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this quick video. I like to do it this way because it makes it quicker and faster. If I did all 5, we'll probably be almost at 10 minutes. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care and enjoy these watch faces.